is, guys? It's your boy Blasphemous HD. I just woke up. It is the day after Christmas, and I realized my lips are really red. Not because I wear lipstick this time, but I was drinking juice, red juice, and nothing else. So yeah, man, a lot of you guys have been hitting me up and telling me to check out Black Santa, you know, by none other than our great friend who seems to not be making us look too good, Bouncer. We're gonna go ahead and give it the go-ahead. Now, a lot of you guys have been throwing this at me for the past, what, day and a half, maybe 2 days, and I've waited to watch it with y'all, okay? I don't know what to expect. I've been hitting people with the ho-ho-ho, and I did not know that it would jump up and bite me in the ass so cleanly onto the hole. You guys want to watch the original video? Make sure to click the link in the description down below. This is by Bouncer. Make sure to go check him out and subscribe to him if y'all want to see these videos way before I do reactions on them. You know, because I'm always late. I was about to make a pregnancy joke about myself, but that would be awkward. Let go.
Ho ho subscribers, Merry motherfucking Christmas.
We're here to watch children. But yeah, you know, aside from all that,
that shit was well made. That was well done. Yep, just find a video where I'm scared because I'm watching some scary shit, you know, and you just go ahead and have the police sirens in the background. Okay, I see you. I see you, motherfucker. I see what's good. I know what I know what he's doing to me. For some reason, you know what it is? I'm too myself on camera. I wouldn't be able to do as many vids as I do on a daily if I wasn't me. And because I'm authentically me, for some reason, I'm a pedophile. I don't understand where that image comes from. I think it's funny only because people understand that it is a joke. Like, that's the only reason why it's funny. Could y'all imagine, like, people for real thinking that I do? Like, bro, bro, that would be, that's... We're not gonna talk about that.
I'll stick my dick in some milk chocolate.
Sorry. I do not remember saying that. What the fuck is wrong with me? What was the context? Shit. Guys, well, okay, you know what? There's no point in...
We're past the... Let's not stand on formalities.
There's no point in lying to y'all. You know what we're here for. Ho, ho, ho. Merry motherfucking Christmas.
It's your boy, Black Santa Claus.
And I'll get all of the bitches. God, bruh, what the fuck, man? I just... This is from my Instagram, yo. How the fuck does he find me on Instagram? He put this shit in literally like fucking days before he released the damn video. Because I have an Instagram, but it's in the description down below. And I release a lot of funny, questionable shit on there. And he got my ass. He's on that shit. He's on me like White on Michael Jackson. That's so fucking, that is so fucking weird. Bro, I gotta see that again. And I'll get all of the bitches. Who said that?
Me, bitch.
Here I am. After 12 o'clock at night, be lit as fuck. Coming down your chimney, opening children butts. Yeah! I like the way the booty spreads out. Damn it! Come on! I just said that! That before he put this video up. God damn it, Bowser. Shit. That is so... I like the way the booty spreads out. Fuck you. Shit. That is fucking funny. God. I'm so mad. That's... Everybody... it's been... Ooh. Merry motherfucking Christmas.
It's your boy Black Santa Claus.
And I'll get all of the bitches. The bitches. I fuck that. Nigga, come on, bro. Still lonely. What the fuck? What the fuck? God damn it, man. That's, God, Jesus, that is fucking funny. Bruh, I'm so fucking done, yo. Okay, so now, as per tradition, we're gonna watch it all the way through without pausing the bitch, because, you know, you don't really get to hear the song as well as you would want to with me, like, stopping and commentating.
Ho, ho, subscribers, Merry motherfucking Christmas.
We're here to watch children.
So I get it now. We're here to watch children, and the police show up. God. Oh, my bad. I just paused it. Oops. Force a habit.
Here to watch children.
Word.
But yeah, you know, aside from all that,
I'll stick my dick in some milk chocolate. God damn it. Sorry. But it is, guys. Well, okay, you know what? There's no point in...
We're past the... Let's not stand on formalities.
There's no point in lying to y'all. You know what we're here for. Ho, ho, ho. Merry motherfucking Christmas.
It's your boy Black Santa Claus.
And I'll get all of the bitches. The bitches. Who said that?
Me, bitch.
Here I am. After 12 o'clock at night, the little fun coming down your chimney, opening children butts. Paraphernalia. Yeah! I like the way the booty spreads out. Nigga, everybody, it's been, ooh. Ho, 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 Merry motherfucking Christmas.
It's your boy Black Santa Claus.
And I'll get all of the bitches. The bitches. I fuck that. Still lonely. I don't know why that's so fucking funny to me, man. The ending, I'm still lonely. I don't know why that's fucking funny to me, yo. Bruh. Oh my God. There's nothing I can say to defend myself, except for it is not what it... Who the fuck am I kidding? This is exactly what it looks like. I don't know why I even be trying to lie to y'all. It's not my fault. It's just not my fault. But yo, again, if you guys want to watch the original video, the link's in the description down below. Again, this is not lipstick. You know, I just drunk really, really red juice and nothing else. You know what I mean? Because I already know some of y'all gonna see that and be like, oh, you know, like, y'all gonna try to get me on that. And I'm like, no, this is not lipstick this time. So, it's not gay. Swear to God, it's not. Probably a little bit, actually. But yeah, man, you know, if you guys want to watch the original video, it's by Bouncer. Links in the description down below. Make sure to check them out. Subscribe. That's the new outro. Looks like I'm playing basketball, but like in a chair and with no ball. Just. Sorry.